to my channel, and today we've got Glossybox. Sorry for that, I'm just putting my necklace right. Okay, so we're going to unbox this, and I'm just going to put this on pause while I open this box, but it's definitely Glossybox. This is the April edition, and this cost me £13 a month. Okay, I put it on pause. Right, so I've opened the box, and it's just the usual plain glossy box, as you'll see it there. It is still a nice box. It's not one of the best looking boxes, but it's still nice. Oh, it feels heavy. It does feel heavy, right? So I'm just going to actually just chuck that down there for now. Chuck that out of the road. If you can hear music, I'm listening to Phil Collins. It's in the background. I love Phil Collins, but that type of music. It's 80s music. I just love it. Right, so I'll just go on with the unboxing. So just flip the lid like so. And oh, it looks really nice, but there is the leaflet. I don't want to see that yet. So just take that out, put that down there, and then we've got like this really nice detail inside. I like the way it looks tidy with the bow. I just like that, and I'm gonna say that this bow is going to be a bit troublesome for me, but it isn't. Just had to open it right. Right, okay, so here we go. Here is Aprill's Glossybox. There we go. Right, so I'll just pick out one item. And what have we got? Oh, we've got the Botanics Power Plant. This is a micellar water 3-in-1 cleansing lotion for all skin types. Right, okay, so I will just do a non-dupe, just pull that one out, then go and have a look at them. So then we got the Coral Legend Model Co. Baked Blush. This is in light beige. Right, good. And then we've got, oh, this looks good. What is it? Oh, wow, that is an Aprill fat eyeliner. Wow, I am so impressed with that because I do like Aprill. I really love their products, and I was wanting another eyeliner, and I'm so happy that I got one because it like saves me some pennies. So yeah, so Aprill fat eyeliner, and then we have got the Effect. This is like a transparent loose rice powder with matte effect. So it looks pretty good. And then we have got, oh, what is this? An MDM Flow lipstick. Right, I've already got lipstick on, as you'll see, but this one is Tiggy. It's the Tiggy lipstick. It really is, I do quite like it. I got it in actually Poundland, so I was pleased when I got that. Right, so I'm just going to take off this lipstick. I might go over the top of it, but we'll have a look. I don't know if it's going to go over the top. We'll try it. Oh yeah, it is. I'm playing kind of a little at the minute. You can hear that. But I got my music on because I want it on. It makes me feel happy. But there we go. There's the colour of it. I don't know how this is going, but we're just trying the colour. It feels really nice on mine. I do like that. I don't know what it looks like. I'm just going to have a quick look at it in the mirror because I just... Right. I think that my other lipstick is coming through, so I'm just going to do a swatch. There we go, you see it? There it is. But I got on another go. I'll most likely correct this when the video's finished. As you see, I am just getting it all over the place. That looks quite nice actually. I do like that colour. That is a perfect colour for me. So it's definitely thumbs up. This box, actually, it could be one of my best boxes up to now. Right, so then we got this. Now this is the Botanics. We have had the oil, and I wasn't really keen on the oil, but I will give this a go. This is the Boots Company. Oh, this is the Boots Company one. I thought it was like the people that makes the oil, but it isn't. So I will actually try this. It has no scent, which is quite good, which is really good, because on skin products, scented is no good if you have sensitive skin. Right, okay, so I'm looking forward to using that, and that's with hibiscus. Right, okay, so I will let you know if that's in my favourites or it's in the ditch. I will let you know, because I want to do a favourites video for April. And so I will let you know how we get along with that. Right, so now then we're going to go on to this, which is, this is absolutely fantastic. I just know that this will be in my favourites because I've used it before. Just look at that. Look at that. That's really good. It's jet black. You can't beat it. Right, so I'm just going to actually try it a little bit on my eyes, just to show you it. But it's jet black. Right, I'm just actually trying to find a little. Okay, see any difference? That one's been done. Let's see, it's jet black, right? And there we go. You probably won't be able to see any difference, but if you can, let me know. It is really good eyeliner though. So then this is, what is this? This is like a matte effect transparent powder. So this is gonna mattify. If you have any like shiny areas like I do with there, always in the top of my nose, I always get shine there, and I don't really want it there. And it's just annoying. Right, so we have a tag to take off, and then we'll have a look at this. Wow, so there it goes in like, I like this little bit here. So I suppose that you tip the powder out into this. I've never actually looked at this before. As you see, oh, we've got a little tag here. So just pull that. And then we're going to just tap a bit into the lid. Right, that's not going to work, is it? No. So maybe I have to turn this. Right. Alright, okay, so it's like that. There's another lid to take off. So maybe that is right, you do. There we go, we're in to it. So I'm just going to tap a bit into here. Just a tiny bit. Like so, see? Right, now I'm just going to see if this mattifies. Just get up close so you see if it actually does what it's supposed to do. And I think that is actually working. It's actually took the shine off my nose, and that has mattified that perfectly. I do like that. That has done wonders. Right, I'm just going to have a quick look in the mirror. I can see, yes, that has worked amazingly. I could see it was working on the camera, but I just wanted to know what it was really like in the mirror. And that gets a 10 from me because I've used these powders before and all they seem to do is like bunch up in the lines, and that's what they do, but that one has actually worked, so I am pleased with that. It gets a 10 and it gets a thumbs up. Right, okay, so we're moving on to the next item, which is a blush. And I already have blush on. I did not know we were going to get a blush in this box. So I am actually just going to open it up if it's going to be nice. Oh, it's going to be nice to me. It's a first. They never ever usually open right from these boxes. But this one is. So it's in light beige. I think I might have spoke too soon. Because now it's been a little troublesome. It's been, oh, come on, out. We got it in the end. Right, we've had this company before. I think we've had this in a pink parcel. I think we had a sample of this in a pink parcel once. And I'm sure I got a pink one. Right, so this is supposed to be like, oh wow, look at that colour. Wish I had a better camera to show you it, but that is beautiful. So I'm just going to go on there and actually just put a bit on my cheekbones. Brush it along and along that one. And let's just see what it actually does. It just really is a nice colour, that. I do like that colour. That's really nice. So I'm pleased with that. There's nothing in this box that I don't like. That's really something to get all 5 products, and I love them. Well, now I do, because I've tested them out and showed you them on the video, but I haven't done them micellar water because that's a little bit tricky. But up to now, all of them I do like. Right, so now we're going to go along with the pricing, and I'm just going to put the lid back on this amazing powder that I love, because I don't want it to go everywhere. So I'll just take that out of there. So if my son sees this, he'll just actually play with it, and that's what I don't want him to do. So I have to put everything away because it's just fun and he'll play with it. Right. I don't know what happened there, but it stopped recording for some unknown reason. Right, so now we're going to see the prices. The prices of this. Right, the Baked Light Blush, which this one is, does it tell me the price? No, it doesn't. Is it going to give me the price? So no, it is not. But I will find the price out and I will put it either on this video or down below in the description box. But this is, I thought this was going to be like going back to the 80s. And it is. So they have, it's like an 80s theme actually. If you look at the beauty news, look at the colours, they're like 80s colours. So this is Glossy's Let's Talk You Back. This is the, oh, we have a May sneak peek if you want to see it. If you don't, look away now, but this is the May sneak peek. You see it? Right, so this is the fabulous vegan shampoo, cruelty-free duo shampoo conditioner will transform your hair, containing no nasty sulfates and parabens. The Swedish professional hair care brand Marie Neely has been on our watch list for an age. Hurry up, May. So right, so I do like this. This is baked blush, and it's light beige, and it's from the bold and daring blush of the 80s to the natural look we're sporting now. We've come a long way, thank goodness. Thank goodness. Say hello to the incredible baked blush that brightens and highlights every complexion to create a catwalk-inspired glow. The luxurious pressed powder and microlazed colour pigments. Wow, it has it's like a nice highlighter as well. I can definitely see that. It's a really nice blush, I do like it. Right, so then we got this, which is the MDM. This is £19, and that is right, because this is expensive. And then we got this, which is the Matte Effect Transparent Powder. Now I expect this to be expensive because it does work. Well, it's not that bad actually. It's £9.35. I would have thought that would have been over the £10 mark because it's good. Right, and then we got the eyeliner. This is expensive. This is £16, which I know that it's the proper price. Right, so then we got this. This is the Botanics Water, never tried it, and this is £5.49. So there we go. I'm sure that that's the people that makes the oil, but if it is, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. And so that will be it. That's the end of my unboxing for the Glossybox Aprill. Oh, yep, Aprill. It's getting on through the years, isn't it? Right, so, okay, so bye-bye for now.